In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Truecaller app from Google Play Store. So if you have been trying to install this app direct from Google Play Store, but you are getting this error or any other related error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to troubleshoot this, we need to go to Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you download it. However, if you are unable while logged in with your Gmail, then just tap on your Gmail account. For this, we want to troubleshoot network. From here, go to settings, and from settings, look for network preferences option. Under this, go to app download preference, and as you can see, currently it is set to over Wi-Fi only. In most cases, this is set as default. You want to change this to over any network. This will ensure that you can download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. Once you're done, tap on save and turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi to download Truecaller. However, if this does not fix your problem, then the problem might be with the Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store and we need to access its app info page. The simplest way is to go to settings on your phone and go to apps. Here is my apps option. If you tap on this, look for manage apps or all apps. If you tap on it, this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, just search for Play Store. So type Play Store and you can see Play Store is here. First, you want to go to Force Stop App. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to Clear Data and tap on it and choose Clear Cache and OK. Once you are done with this, now you need to restart your Google Play Store app. And now if you go to your app, open it and activate search and search for Truecaller. And if I run my search, now our app is here. Let's now try and install it and see if the problem has been fixed. And now look at that, I'm now able to download and install Truecaller app on my smartphone. However, at this point, if you still encounter any other challenge, then you want to check and ensure that you have enough space on your phone, as this might be causing the issue. For that, you will need to delete apps or files such as images and videos that you no longer need before you try to download and install your Truecaller app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.